while you argue, who's going to make sure he keeps his pants up? You got plans?
Moot court will consist of 9 mock justices. Treat them as you would the actual justices, which is to say, with the utmost respect. You may think you have some idea of what it's like to argue before the Supreme Court. Trust me, you do not. This will be the most difficult, the most high-pressure courtroom experience you'll ever encounter. The justices are intimidating. They're often abrupt, sometimes rude, all formidable. You make a single misstep, you're likely to lose. You have the added pressure of knowing that if you lose, your client dies. Okay, first off, know that a criminal defendant has a better chance of getting a presidential pardon than a reversal from the Supreme Court. You need 5 votes. You're not going to get Roberts, Scalia, Thomas, or Alito, so don't even bother. You should get Ginsburg, Breyer, Souter, and Stevens. Kennedy is the swing. You need to focus on Kennedy. Keep your argument focused on constitutional issues. Do not be talking about your client.
Well,
he raped a child. If this turns on whether they care about him, you lose.
May it please the court, my name is Alan Shore.
Don't waste time introducing yourself. They'll know who you are.
Fine. I'd first like to direct the court's attention to the fact that my client has an IQ of 70, which means...
That's not on the table.
Well, don't you think you should put it on the table before killing Mr. Serra?
You speak with a tone like that, you're done.
The only issue here is it constitutional to execute for a non-homicide rape?
This court already held in Coker v. Georgia that the death penalty was not authorized in non-homicide rape.
That case did not speak to the rape of a child. And also, the court looked to a national consensus at the time which was against capital punishment in non-homicide cases. Today, the consensus is different.
Oh, wait a second. So it's to hell with precedent, you're going to gauge popular opinion.
Okay. He's a disaster.
My turn.
Could have gone back to their place for one drink.
It's the night before the Supreme Court, and I'm tired.
It's always the night before something.
Yes, well, the something tomorrow is the highest court, and a man's life is at stake.
Yeah, that used to be fun.
Can you begin to appreciate the gravity of tomorrow's... A man is facing death.
Well, we all gotta die at one point.
Shut up! You said you wanted to be part of this case. Well, be part of it, damn it. It's the Supreme Court. It's not enough for you that we're out singing and drinking with the go-go girls, and now you gotta go back to their... Sorry. I don't mean to snap at you. I'm nervous, Denny. I really didn't think I would be, but I'm a little scared to death. I'm sorry.
I've been thinking. This kid's best chance. You should do all the arguing. It's enough that I'm in the room. My legacy will be complete.
Denny.
I'm not ready to go toe-to-toe with Rehnquist.
Denny Rehnquist is dead.
Even so, you argue. I'll flirt with Ginsburg from the table.
Right. You sure?
I am. But you gotta do me 2 favors, though. First, I bet 50 grand I would get